Please welcome Divya on our MYB channel, and she's going to tell us about herself and her various activities in financial and corporate world. So thanks Divya for joining. Please tell us about yourself and your activities.
Thank you so much. So first of all, thank you for inviting me here on MYB. And about myself, yes, I'm a company secretary by profession with 16 years of industry experience. And during the 16 years, we have been guiding a lot of companies, directors in their compliances. And that's where Mentor My Board came in to life. That is the platform wherein we train, groom directors on board. And it is a registered startup under Startup India. But yes, in fact, we are on a mission to create 1 lakh directors community. The directors and mentors and the corporates come together on a single platform. And that's where mentoring, nurturing the top minds of the boardrooms is what we have been on a mission to. So.
Great. So what is the motivation behind starting this, in spite of your busy activities, busy schedules? So what was the motivation behind this?
Okay. So basically, as I told you, I'm a company secretary. We work very closely with the boardrooms. And in my entire journey and career, when I saw that best of the best practices, the law prescribes, but how many of the corporates really have that kind of culture to inculcate those best of the best practices? And again, best practices do exist in the top 1,000 companies, but what about the SME, MSME sector, wherein the governance or the boardrooms don't even exist in the SME sector? So that has been a motivating factor wherein we are working on nurturing those boardrooms and making sure that with the board structures, they take their companies to the next level on the journey of growth.
Okay, really, it's a tough job for you. Yeah, I can understand. So
yeah,
what are your USPs of this particular activity you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
So what are the USPs?
So Mentor My Board.
Yeah.
So Mentor My Board is a complete virtual platform. It's a community wherein people network, people come together on a single platform. One-on-one mentoring sessions are there, wherein we have close to 90 to 100 plus mentors with us who are registered and having huge board experience on various, aspects of boardrooms leadership. And that's where they are, coming and nurturing the boards, guiding, hand-holding, creating a very, very unique kind of a concept wherein it doesn't only talk about compliance, but it also talks about business. It also talks about various social issues like ESG, the CSR, the accountability. So all those aspects are being taken care of when we design this platform. And we are become, the USP, you can say it's going to be a marketplace for directors.
Okay. Now, in this pandemic situation, almost started from 2020 and still, moving on in 2021 also, almost hitting our 2021 all year also. So in this difficult scenario, how you motivate yourself and also your team?
Okay. So in fact, it's really very, very difficult, especially when your entire team is working from home and there is no, direct interaction with your team, and it's only through virtual meetings and over the phone calls. It really, is a challenging situation, but I'll tell you, I think we have been doing wonders when it comes to creating the platform. A lot of innovative ideas our team keeps throwing at us, and team is growing. So if I tell you, before lockdown, we had close to around 12 people team. Now we have reached close to 20-25 people team. And that's, you can understand that team is really highly motivated, energized to do a lot of new things. And again, April being, a month wherein you have a new year, new financial year to look up to. So we have been busy setting up our goals, targets for this 2021-22. And I'm really happy to, tell that entire of the team has various new plans which they've not done anything in the previous years. They are ready to take that leap in this year. The situation is going to be there around, and I think we'll have to deal with the situation, but you can't just keep watching. You have to focus on what best you can do, and the circle around you, how you keep motivated. I think that's more important in today's time.
Okay. Would you like to share some success stories?
Okay. Success story, if I tell you, for me, per se, I have been practicing as a company secretary last 12 years and overall industry experience of 16 years. And I still remember the time in 2014, 13 or 14, where I could not speak a sentence in public properly. There was a huge stage fear, and how, you have the client and you tell to explain the client anything, we are able to do that. But when it was to give a session to people, to students, to the directors, that was absolutely not my forte. And today I sit on the boards of few companies as independent directors. We have been mentoring, handholding directors, and we've trained close to 200 directors on this platform of Mentor My Board. So I see that as a success, and we are still growing. We are still, there is a lot to do.
Great.
So success is a journey, I understand.
Yeah. So what message would you like to give to our audience today?
Okay. If I give you, a learning from my life, and in fact, I recently shared yesterday this story on the LinkedIn. There is a huge abundance. There are huge opportunities lying all around. And the law of abundance works very strongly. I mean, the day we started creating our goals for the new year, we started getting those opportunities. The more of your focus goes on, it grows. The focus, wherever you divert your focus from, it shrinks. So I think one message which I would like to give to everyone is keep focusing on good things, keep focusing on growth for yourself, for your team, and things will change, situations will change. You can't control the external factors, but what you can control is your response to those situations, and how you keep your team and your surrounding inspired by your actions and deeds. I think that's the only way of living a good life. So that's my message.